Hi, now we are going to make a carrot cake. So we need
4 eggs. Eggs have vitamin A, B2, B12, D, and E. Vitamin D makes your bones stronger, and vitamin B, it gives you energy for sports and make you clever.
3 cups of grated carrots. Carrots have vitamin A, C, E, and K. Vitamin A makes your eyes strong and help your body grow and stay healthy. And vitamin C helps your body stay healthy and fight germs.
2 cups of flour, 1 cup and half of sugar,
Half cup of oil,
Half cup of nuts. Nuts have vitamin E. Vitamin E makes your skin healthier.
5 grams of salt,
10 grams of cinnamon,
5 milliliters of vanilla,
and 10 grams of baking soda.